gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wo fídíò tí mo fẹ́ fi hàn yín.
Because it wasn't Spending that was cleaning his hand. It was Bismi that was cleaning his hand when Lifestyle was going out early in the morning. Why Spending? You understand? The nurse, what did she meet? How was the condition of Mohbad? Did she also see all the blood? What is her explanation? Do you understand? Because if she had seen all that and seen the swollen hand and everything that she saw, she's supposed to know this is beyond my knowledge. It is time we take him and phew. So if he was hearty when she gave the injection, then it calls for concern regarding her, because they were not in a clinical environment for swift intervention of medical experts to revive him, resuscitate him. Do you make sense from that? So, but the truth is, if he has lost so much blood, as they have so stated, he was possibly weak. He was probably weak. He was already dying before the nurse also came into it. Was he giving medication to sleep? Was he? When he was in that pain? And you know, if you are on Valium now, I'm just talking about maybe some kind of high blood pressure medication. You know, there are some drugs that you can also take. Do you understand? So all those things, and also if he had lost so much blood, those are the things surrounding Mohbad's death. Now, why did I drift this way? Why did I go all these parties? Because of the story that they wrote out here. When they got home, the fight escalated, they claimed. Mohbad got really angry and out of order. He was physically fighting with Wunmi. Did this person form this story, or this is true life story? If so, Wunmi should look into this matter and please just go and tell us the truth in the courts of law. The people around them joined to separate them, but Mohbad started beating with all of them. That was why the guy in the car, which is Wunmi's brother, got a swollen eye. To be sincere, that guy has a swollen eye, but I don't know if the person is Wunmi's brother. I don't know Wunmi's brother. Maybe you people should find out. That guy that was crying, Mohbad is dead. Go and check him. And that other guy, they didn't look like they cared that Mohbad died. Go and look at it. Go and, especially that one with dreadlocks. Go and look at that video. That video is the most annoying video that I have seen when somebody is carrying a dead body. Go and look at that video. The story may not tally. Maybe these people, just like somebody came out and did anonymous lies to us that Mohbad was carried and he saw Mohbad in the hospital and he snapped picture with him. And one Nero, those are the people that go to heaven and go and take breakfast with Jesus. They will snap selfie. You know, they have stopped saying they go to heaven now. In those days, we call to Pentecost have Jewani. They will go to heaven. They go and snap selfie with Jesus. They will even say that they ate Irish breakfast. Some of them can lie. Some of them will say, God come and see one by the book of judgment is big like this. When they were turning it, they were not calling Michael Jackson Majeyao. Some people said that Michael Jackson was asking them for water. Michael Jackson was near fire. You understand? You have to be careful when Nigerians they are talking. So just don't, this thing I'm reading to you, calm down yourself, because people, they have lied to us in Pentecostal. The people that have snapped selfie with Jesus. I don't know what doing. What if you come on? What if Angel Gabriel ti jẹ̀yà? Angel Gabriel, Michael Jackson, hellfire by. Only Michael Jackson by. Wo ṣe wata. Irọ́. Pentecostal church, that's their own lies. In those days, they all went to heaven to go and eat Irish breakfast. In fact, they said some people's house is 1 bedroom. Some people is face me, I face you. They said their own house is mansion. Some people said that their mansion is what's the kind of mansion? Some people even said that they have mark back, that they have it in heaven. It's all lies. Somebody said, Joke Folake Shonoiko said, you people should go listen to the police radio. The driver of the Pardo Aya said they tried to take him, but he refused. With the blood rush, and the blood was gushing, right? Okay. Until they got home. From that, from which wound? Okay. Yeah, you have, there's nothing wrong with what you typed now. The blood gushing like that. So, the blood gushing like that. The blood gushing like that, with the way they wrote that blood, and it was gushing. They got home, it was still gushing. The blood was gushing. Refused hospital. Then they called the nurse and everything. They didn't get the nurse. Then they called everything. The blood was sharp gushing. The way they described the blood, as if, in fact, Mohbad's blood finished in the house. And then, can you, God forbid, it will never happen to you or me or any of us. Can you please put your loved one in that position and just leave him? And because he said he doesn't want to go, you will agree to it. And your loved one's mom will call, and you would still not tell the mom that your child is going through this, and he has refused. Then she will at least know. Maybe as she's rushing back, if the child gives up the ghost, she will at least know they told her. Does it make sense? Even though she's an irresponsible woman, but at least Mohbad's father is responsible. In fact, but Mohbad's father, you people know that the man was called after he died, but he didn't know. When they were rushing him to the hospital, they called the man that he was in the hospital. He was on his way to or when they already got to the hospital dead on arrival, was when they called him. The man was on his way. But when the hospital chased them, after they checked and saw that the boy was dead, they now called the man back and told the man to go, that it's already okay. But the man, body talked to him, spirit talked to him. He still insisted and went to the house and met the corpse of the child. But he went to where he would normally see his son first, which is the stairway, and saw blood, soaked in blood. Even if they don't call the irresponsible mother, at least Mohbad's father, they should have called him. You understand? Not only they, I don't know, Mohbad's brother, if you people notice, maybe he always sleep in the room dogs sleeping. Because I'm not noticing him in this whole matter, even though they said he was there. Have you people noticed that even the father is not mentioning him? Nobody is mentioning that boy. Abi, you people are not noticing. God forgive me. Maybe it's not a normal baby child. Only mark Pelomo. Call on that regime. Not that I'm abusing him. I'm not noticing that they are saying, what do you know? What happened? Abi, is he not Mohbad's brother? Maybe Oman see. Okay, 15 years old. Ah, he's young. No wonder. Because Koyemi, where I'm just wondering, they said the brother is there, but we are not hearing anything about him. Mohbad Papa no mention him. He's not saying, even when he said he saw people, he didn't mention that the son. They are not asking him anything. Oh, he's 15, he's an underage. But the father 15 years old in Nigeria, they are very smart. Oh. 15 years old, maybe abroad children that is 15. And when she mama she be baby. But Nigerians 15 years old, even in Ile Hausa, what be momejina. In Hausa land, they are born picking. It's abroad. These people are abroad. If you are saying 15 is small, and we understand, it's only that it's underage. But they can still ask him, kilo shele. So they won't ask him anything. They said the Baba said Adura is not really a complete boy. Oh, God forgive me. Oh, so they said that the Baba said Adura is not really a complete boy. I talk and say, normal way they know they mention that boy. Maybe the boy not complete. Okay. I suspect that boy, because it's just not normal that he will be there all these days. Nobody is even saying, what did Adura see? What did Adura see? What did they say the big... we are not talking of me. Women, the boy, the way they exempted him, go and find out. I don't think the boy is complete.
ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi ẹ fi èrò etí yín gangan hàn lórí analysis tí ìyá yìí ṣe láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ dópin. Kí ni ẹ̀yin náà rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá mi pín fídíò yìí kiri, ẹ bá mi pín, ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹjọ, ẹ bá mi tag àwọn èèyàn, ẹ bá mi share. Ẹ má dẹ̀ gbàgbé láti follow page mi yìí. Ẹ tún subscribe sí Adeomade TV lórí YouTube. Ire ó dàbọ̀.